So this is a 1971, 72, I'll put it at the bottom, Honda ATC70. I bought it, gosh, before COVID. I tore it down to the frame. I sent the frame, the forks, the rims out to be powder coated. I rebuilt the engine and I got new tires for it. I recoated the inside of the tank, and then for a little bit I tried a plastic tank, but that didn't work well. So we have to work on a few things. It leaks oil, it doesn't get gas, and it runs like crap. Got a new seat cover. It came with the taller handlebars. Like the saying goes, ran when parked, but didn't run good. Oh, and it's got electronic ignition. Yeah, I got rid of the stator, and I got a CDI from Indonesia or something. So yeah, let's start working on it. All right, so I've got the drain bolt out. It said there should be a washer. There's no washer on here, unless that, is that a washer? Like that little lip? I don't know. Nevertheless, it wants 0.8 liters of 10W30 or 40, and I've actually got that. So I just want to really quick replace the oil and see if it'll run, and then we'll get a baseline from there. I know for the longest time when it would run, the choke would flutter. I don't know if that's because I don't have it secured, but actually no, it doesn't, because it's just a lever on the carburetor. So the choke is just this lever, but the butterfly in the carb itself would just pop, 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 pop the whole time. Pop, 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 you know? So, I don't know. Let's fill it up with oil, and let's check. So it turns out this was a washer. Very soft, I might add. I've got some new copper ones. Oh, perfect. Okay. All right, 0.8. Here we go. My head was in the way, wasn't it? Sorry. This is a nice, I think I'm gonna keep this jug. This is an older jug I had. Look at that, it's got the pour on it. Motor X, baby. It's not really 10W50, I put 10W40 in it, but this is a great jug. Oh yeah. All right, I just checked the ATC owner's manual from back in the day, and you do not screw in the dipstick to check the oil. So you unscrew it, wipe it, place it in, don't screw it in, and check it. All right, change of plans. I just looked in the gas tank and it's disgusting. So we're gonna drain that fuel and put fresh stuff in it. Okay. Apparently, Sean used to not care about safety. I mean, that zip tie's fine. Oh. Yeah, that's not... All right, well, at least we're changing it. All right, gas coming out now is clear. It's good. That on there. I normally don't even change gas on stuff. I just like to really throw my shoulder out, pulling it over 1,700 times just to get it running. Thinking that gas had sat for the last 3 years is fine. Gas is on. Choke is on. Pull it a couple times, get the oil moving around. All right. Oh. All right, we're not getting gas. Carb's coming off. All right. Round 2, here we go. Here we go. This is it. We're gonna turn this to on, right? Bada bing. Choke. On. Here we go. That was a fluke. Okay. Half choke. Full choke. Doesn't want to idle. Let me adjust it. Let me work on this thing a little bit. So it runs, but it's on full choke all the time, and I'm leaking oil. As we can see, it's coming out from this side cover right there. Ah, it's hot oil right there. So I gotta reseal that. The timing chain's in that, so I gotta be careful. But why is it on full choke the whole time? Let's look into it. So here's a gasket kit I've had for a while. It's just a cheap one off eBay. There's some gaskets in that I never installed last time I rebuilt the engine. These engines are so easy. There's a million videos of people doing them online. So yeah, I just took a time lapse. I really don't even think I'm going to use the time lapse. I don't know. This is kind of hard video to video because I'm just kind of working on it. Like I'm just fixing it up a little bit. It's not like I'm rebuilding it from the bottom up, and I feel like these little engines are so mass YouTubed. But I'll video put it back together, maybe make it a cool time lapse, and we'll check back with when that's all done. Look at this. Yeah, baby. Power. It's spinning wheels that aren't even connected. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds really good. So we've got it timed correctly. I don't want to rev it. I'm gonna let it warm up. Whoa, 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 kill it. Shut it. That, shoot. That is my timing chain, like guide roller bolt. Okay, that's fun. Let's tighten that back up. We'll be right back. I wonder if that needs Loctite. All right, that's tightened. Let's see if she'll restart. All right. Kill switch works. All right, cool. So we're gonna mount the airbox. I'm gonna have to get an air filter for the airbox, but maybe just like putting a sock or a rag in there for now will help. It's getting too much fuel without the air filter on it because it was jetted to have the air filter. So it needs less air or more fuel. I'll be right back. It's back together. Let's run it for a little bit, get it warm, and then see if we can iron out this whole engine problem. Sounds like I got a little valve tap and I'm smoking. So, with that being said, I'm done with this. I'm gonna put it back in the shed. I've tried everything that's in my knowledge. I'm not good with carburetors. I don't know, maybe it's the electronic CDI. Maybe I should put the points back on it. I'm not quite sure, but hopefully this is somewhat entertaining and I can hopefully teach someone something. I don't know. Nevertheless, thanks for watching.